Hey guys, I'm showing you this smart deadbolt lock. It's a keyless entry door lock with a Bluetooth app. It's an electronic keypad with IC card, spare keys, security, waterproof, smart lock, easy install. So I will show you these things what is inside the box, like a manual, and this is the template that shows like how this lock should be fit with the door and then the dimensions. As you can see, this comes in two parts. So like the keypad part and then the lock part. So I will describe you these things so that you know. So this is the key part where, and this is also a keypad thing here. This is the cable that goes with this one. So here you have to put some 4 batteries, and this is a deadbolt. So this the thing good thing is that it can be controlled by the app. These are the keys that you can set it up using the app, and this is the two keys actually, and then this is the accessory box. So all the nut bolts, the keys, like the manual keys that you can use to open the lock, and then this is the lock and the things. So the later part of this video will show you perfect like a professional installation video of the lock, so you can see that how you can install that on the door. Now for now I will just put up these batteries so I can show you the app function. So requires 4 AA batteries here, then to start this one. So once this is done, you have to put this in this connection thing, like the cable, and it started. See, you can see like the keypad is lighted on. So with the E key, you can see like you can touch on the sensor and the E key will work, but this is not set up yet, so this is not working. But the thing is the app. This is the app, and you can scan this, download and open. So once you register yourself and connected, you can see and try to search for the keys. You have to press any button. It may take some time or you need to reset it, but once it's set you will find it out. Like you see, it will find it and it get installed or activated. You just put all the details. Once it's set up, then you can see. So this is this lock, and I'm just putting because it's not connected, you can see like it is moving, but yeah, hopefully you can see it from this side. If I do, yeah, it's moving, and then this lock will set up. So you can lock unlock from your app. You can change any things. This is the whole app setup. This is all the different features. E key, you can set up the E key. You can do that passcode. You can do a lot of things with the app. So now you will see the installation video. So this is actually the professional installation video. So as I said, like what's in the box as I showed, and this is the different steps that how you can install this lock properly, step-by-step guide. So hopefully this will help you in installing the lock. And this is a very nice and helpful lock for the security and controlling things. So hope you like this lock, and it's very much useful to you. I like this, and then the quality, it's heavy built, and this is a nice smart lock.